What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Mike, full-time media seller, primarily Amazon, a little bit on eBay. Today is another one of our what sold videos with a twist. We sold one of Deb's items over on Amazon. We will cover that sale here. I need to know if I should pay her the profits or if I should keep the profits. All right, so that's going to be kind of the big crux of the video. I will let you all decide down in the comment section whether or not she deserves that profit or if it should stay with me, right? The greedy person I am. If you're interested in being around like-minded resellers, join the YouTube channel, $2.99, cheaper than a Happy Meal, weekly coaching calls, private Discord, all of that fun stuff. We're gonna jump into her sale first though, right? So we'll pop it up here. My magical editor always does. We sold a Genome, that is a brand of embroidery machines and supplies, bobbin thread cone. So this is like a kind of a huge, imagine like your little sewing cone. This thing's like this. It's like the size of like almost a small football. We sold it for $73.98. Profit was $58.32. So you're probably thinking, Mike, what justifies you getting any of Deb's money, right? All you Deb fans out there typing, give Deb everything you got. Listen, you see these bags over here, right up here in the corner labeled? That is her fabric that I am now storing at the storage unit, right? Storage ain't free, that's all I'm saying, right? That's thing one, you know? All of a sudden, I got all this fabric showing up in my storage unit. Thing two is, I had to list it. I had to find it on Amazon, list it on Amazon, sell it, pack it, ship it, price it. I mean, come on. There's got to be somebody out there watching this on my side. Please, anybody, somebody. I know you're all like, screw you, Mike. It's all Deb's money anyway. Stop trying to act like it's your own. Well, that was what we sold of Deb's stuff. She doesn't need this anymore. So listen, we say this all the time. When you start reselling, find things around the house you don't need, right? Sell it. We're still the same way to this day. She got this in a package deal with one of the machines she bought. You don't need it, sell it, get rid of it. Don't let it sit around and do nothing. We put what was it, an extra 58 bucks in our pocket. Shipping was around $6 because this cone was a little bit heavy, but it is what it is. So you can decide whether or not Deb deserves that 50 bucks. You know my answer. All right, time to get to the Mike sales. I'm going to start from the top here as always. Halo 3 official art book from the game. Halo 3, if you are any kind of video game fan or person, is arguably one of the greatest multiplayer games of its time. And I remember exactly where I found this. This is on the bottom shelf of a Goodwill. I paid $2.99 for it. It sold for $153.97. Over 150 bucks this sold for. Profit after fees was $123.06. Amazon basically took 30 bucks from the sale. This was a big art book here. I tell you all, and if you're new, game guides, art books from games, any kind of that stuff, you have to scan it. Halo 3 came out. When did this book come out? 2008. Even the older, I would argue some of the older stuff is even going up in value. So anytime you see that Prima, P-R-I-M-A strategy guide on the binding, if you're looking at a shelf of books, scan it every single time. I don't care if it's for SpongeBob, Blue's Clues, Call of Duty, scan them. You're going to make money like this. We actually had somebody in the Discord picked up a huge lot of game guides, and I'm like, woo, he's folding money over there, and he got a whole bunch of them. It's pretty crazy. So the next sale we got, Brett Manning's Singing Success. I bought this for myself so I could sing. You know, every night I sing a song to Deb to put her to sleep, and then I go around to each of the 4 cats. I sing them a song as well. I don't want to get anybody too excited here and sing right now, right? I can't sing at all. But we sold this for $88.84. 8884. Profit was $67.98. this is considered an audio CD. So, I mean, it was like in a box. It had a whole bunch of discs. I forget how many discs it had. I will say this, make sure you check it for each disc. I'm guilty of this, and I usually out myself when it happens. I'll buy something and I won't check it, and all the discs will be gone, or it'll be missing like one disc, and you're just completely screwed at that point. I think I paid up for this. Hold your horses. I paid like $4.99 for this, so that's an expensive buy for me. $67.98. I mean, this did take a while to sell. I think this took about 2 months to sell, but yet again, the longer tail stuff is going to make you more money. Don't be scared to send in the slower moving inventory, especially if you're the only FBA offer in the game. So we got 2 more. This is a good example here. We have Emancipation Betrayed, the hidden history of black organizing and white violence in Florida. We sold this for $49.99. Profit was $34.67. So you're probably thinking, well, why is this a good example? Well, there was no FBA offers on this. $49.99, anything that ends in 99 for me means I'm the only player in the game. So if we take a look here at the screenshot, the current FBM offers are right around $27. We basically doubled the price of FBM and sold it FBA. I can't stress this enough. FBA Prime is all people care about. 90% of the sales come through that buy now box. Even if you are charging double, proof right here. Dude, if there's FBM offers for $5, I'm not buying it. We don't care. Thanks for leaving us the money. Moving on. The last and final one, a little bit of Western justice in your life here. Support your local gunfighter. Support your local sheriff. Double feature. Let me see here. I can't even see who's in these actual movies. We sold it for $43.95. Profit was $32.14. Probably into this DVD for anywhere between $1.50 and $3. Multi-features, even crappy ones, right? Do I have any here? I got probably one of the best multi-feature ones. I guess really not, because it's got this crappy one. But anytime you see double features, right? Regardless of what it is, you know, this is my personal collection, Halloween here, but even if it's like American Pie, right? There's a million movies. Final Destination, something like this, scan those every single time, used or new. You have to scan the multiple features. Yes, a lot of them will be junk, but as in the media scanning game, most of it's junk. You'll find plenty of gems. This was a good flip. Westerns are usually good. MGM, I told you guys about MGM. I need to start getting secretive. No more bolos, no more secrets. I keep everything to myself. The greedy book guy. I don't even show you, right? But we sold this item and it'll just be like a blurred out picture of nothing, right? I sold this item, or wait, I could just have nothing. I sold this item here for $3,000. After fees, I'm gonna make $4,000. I didn't even buy it. It just showed up outside of my house one day. You guys got all the tools, all the secrets to figure this out and start making money. I mean, I'm making it as easy. Listen, all these good bolos. I know a lot of you little sneaky buggers out there, right? Doing your eBay to Amazon, Amazon to Amazon. You come in, you don't even comment on the video. You don't even give it a thumbs up. You just like, what are these ASINs that he's selling for $150? And then later that night, you find it on eBay for $20. You sell it on Amazon for $150. You don't even come back and give me a thumbs up still. You're like, yeah, I'm the best. It all belongs to me at the end of the day. So that's going to do it for the video. Make sure you let me know whether or not Deb deserves that $50. Storage units ain't cheap. Remember that, right? I mean, maybe the other one, me listing, you kind of can be like, well, dude, it only takes 2 seconds to list. But storage costs money. And anybody out there that has a storage unit knows it ain't free. So I'll see y'all in the next used book video. Bye.